Carrie from Carrie Buys Houses, and welcome back to our last video on the series of Small Business Social Media Marketing Mastery. So today I have with me Brooke from Blazing Bee Media, and we're going to be speaking on Facebook Ads Manager. So Brooke, what is Facebook Ads Manager?
Facebook Ads Manager is the interface you use whenever you're creating a Facebook ad. A lot of people have heard of Google Ads, and a lot of people think of that, but Facebook ads are just as valuable, sometimes more valuable depending on how segmented you want your audience to be. So Facebook Ads Manager is where you go to create the ads, you manage the ads, you can make changes while they're running, and then you can also see the results in there. It's a great little interface.
Okay, and so does Facebook Ads Manager cost a lot or cost anything?
Here's the thing, a lot of people think, it does cost some money to run ads on Facebook, but a lot of people assume that you have to put down a minimum. You don't. With Facebook Ads Manager, you can do two ways depending on your ads. You can either do a lifetime ad spend or you can do a daily ad spend. Daily ad spends are usually $5 a day, and then if it's a successful campaign, you scale it up 20% at increments. Lifetime is if you want to spend $25 for the lifetime of the ad. You just put that in as the lifetime, set it to run, and it goes. So you can honestly you can run a 2-day ad for $5. There's really no minimum or maximum to use Facebook Ads Manager.
And when you say lifetime, you're saying that you choose a particular time frame for that ad to run. So it could be 1 week, 2 weeks.
Yes, so if you wanted the ad to run for a whole month for $25, you could do that.
Versus a daily, like $5 a day.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So what types of campaigns can I run through Facebook Ad Manager as a small business owner?
Facebook is so great because it has several different types of campaigns. When you go in and you go to create an ad, it's going to show you an interface, and you can choose, you don't have to, but I find it's helpful too. You can choose what you want the ad to target, so you can choose brand awareness, which is, it's showing it to as many people as possible. Lead generation, it's showing it to people who are likely to be leads. Event responses, people who go to things. So there's a ton of options right off the bat. And then you can segment it further, depending on what you're looking for. So you can also change the types of media you want to run on your ads. You get to the very end where you're actually creating the physical ad. You can do a carousel, which is 6 images. You can do 6 separate images and do A, B, C, D, E, F, G testing, where it runs every single image and it tells you how good each one's performing. You can do video ads, you can do just text ads, you can do Instagram only ads. It's really, really flexible with what you want to do.
Okay, cool. So what types of campaigns can I run through Facebook Ad Manager?
The types of campaigns are the different brand awareness ones. Those are the ones you see in the very beginning. The brand awareness ones, the video views ones, the sharing ones. So those are going to be the first ones you're presented with. And you don't have to choose one, but it's helpful for your business.
So what's the difference between a boosted post through my page and a Facebook ad?
So a boosted post through your page, a lot of people think they're the same thing. They're not. A boosted post through your page, you cannot target your audience. You can just boost the post. It usually is shown to people who already like your page, who may have not seen it before. It isn't shown on Instagram. It's just a lot less customizable. It would be much better to go in through Facebook Ads Manager and just use your post, because you can also do that. If you're in Facebook Ads Manager, you put in what page you're posting as. You can use your post. But then you can target the audience and you can choose the goal, and it's just so much better for getting it to the people you want to see it. So that's the main difference.
Okay, and then what are relevancy scores?
Okay, so relevancy scores are important on Facebook. There's a scale of 1 to 10 for your ad relevancy. Basically, if you've got a 5 or higher, you're doing pretty okay. But the relevancy scores impact what your cost is. And what relevancy scores are is, you've probably seen an ad that's not relevant to you on Facebook. You just don't want to see it. If you click on those little 3 dots, you click, I don't want to see this. Facebook asks you why, you say it's not relevant. You can also click on those little 3 dots and say an ad is relevant if you want to see more content like that. When there's a high bounce rate, or when people say your ad's not useful, your relevancy score goes down and your cost goes up. So we've had some really high relevancy scores for your business. We had one where we got a 10 out of 10 relevancy score, and it cost us 1 cent per link click.
Because it was so high in relevancy.
It was so high. It was 1 cent per link click.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. And just for the audience, what does when you say bounce
So bounce rate is when people leave.
Mhm.
So if they view your ad, it is the same thing for websites. If someone views your ad, if someone's on your page and they only stay there for like 3 seconds and then they leave, that's a high bounce rate because they've decided, I'm not interested.
I don't want to watch it.
I don't want to watch it.
Right.
It's not what I'm interested in. But if someone watches your full ad or 30 seconds of your ad, it counts as a lesser bounce rate. Or if someone is on your website and they click through a couple pages, that's better
Right.
than someone just showing up and leaving.
Right, so you want high relevancy, low bounce rate, because that's ultimately gonna lower your costs and increase your leads.
Yes.
Got it. Well, cool. So that is just kind of Facebook Ads Manager in a nutshell. We're going to be talking about all of these topics that we discussed in the series more at our free meetup that we have every second Monday of the month. We're bringing Brooke in as a guest speaker to do a deep dive into all of these topics. So please, guys, come out and join us. You can go onto the meetup.com page to RSVP. Go to the link that's in the description, meetup.com, and you can find us at the Real Estate Riches Clubhouse. We also have a Facebook page, Real Estate Riches Club, where you can follow us, like us, and you can get instant access to all of the live streams from our previous meetups, as well as the current one that we're going to be doing, because we live stream all of these meetups, so you can watch us live from your couch. But we do like you to come out. We are going to have some awesome prizes at this one, and you do need to be present to receive your prize. So go ahead, sign up. We'll see you there. Thanks so much, Brooke, for coming out to do all these videos with us. And we'll see you guys on the next round series.